Today I'm going to show you how to put cold air intake on your car. In my opinion, this is going to be one of the cheapest, most affordable mods for power increase and to make your car sound better. This whole thing right here cost me probably 60 bucks or so. Didn't take that long to put in, maybe like half an hour or so. And yeah, it's pretty easy. This is all the stuff I've got to make this kit work. The first thing you're going to need is a bracket, which I'll show you later. Then you're going to need the actual pod filter itself. Now you don't actually need this pipe. Depending on your car setup, you might just need this end of the filter. It just goes on with one of the clamps there. And you can probably just put that straight onto the MAF pipe. But in my case, I'm using a pipe because it will locate it down into this corner behind the battery around here, and it'll get cold air coming in through the wheel arch and through the front bumper here, so it'll actually be a proper cold air intake. I got this pipe from AliExpress for like 20 bucks. I bought this from just the auto parts store for 20, and then I bought some silicone for like 5 bucks or something. This was 15 bucks off of online, which is specifically for this car. So this is the stock airbox. It's pretty easy to take out. Should be about the same in every car. It'll be 4 bolts, or a couple bolts here. I've already undone them. Just from this pipe to the airbox, and it should just pull out. It's gonna be a bit of a pain to pull out, but it does come out. Let's see if I can get it out one-handed. I don't know if I can. Oh yeah, there you go. Comes out like that. Alright, so here's the mass airflow sensor. Now, if your car has a bit sticking out like this, then you can just put the air filter straight onto this pipe here, and you should be good to go. In my case, it doesn't, so I've had to buy an adapter. This was just online for my car. It will bolt straight on with the gasket. And then I can put the pipe in. The bracket's all on. Now, I could just put a pod filter on the end right there, and it would be, I guess, a short ram intake, but that's not going to give any power increase, I don't think at all. I think the cold air intake's going to be better, so I'm going to put the pipe on, and it should run straight into here, get cold air from the bottom there. It's not going anywhere, I don't think, because I've jammed it in between the battery and the car here, and it's secure here. It's not going anywhere. The big question is, am I going to get any more power by putting a cold air intake on my car? And the answer to that is, from what I've seen online, it's going to be pretty 50-50. You might get more, you might get a little bit less, you might get a little bit more, you might just not change at all. So yeah, it doesn't matter. Now the main reason you do want to put this on your car is because of the sounds that it makes. Hear this. Sounds pretty good now. There's a cold air intake on the Pulsar. I'll try and put in some footage of me driving it, show you what it really sounds like, because it sounds pretty good under some load. And that's how you install a cold air intake on your car. I will give you a warning. In Australia, or certain parts of Australia, if you don't have the intake covered with a box or encased, it is technically illegal. I'm leaving it unboxed because I don't think there's a very good chance of being pulled over and getting in trouble for that. But yep, that's the install. Don't know if it makes any more power. It sounds cooler, that's all I care about. And hopefully the next mod that I can do the Pulsar will probably be some coilovers. And anyway, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for the next coming videos. Hopefully more projects in the future, maybe a Civic. And yeah, see ya.